Howdy. Welcome to, I think it's the, 25th or 26th hour into trying to smoke this brisket. At least it feels that way. So I put in a brisket at about 8:30 in the morning, and it's going on 1 a.m. and we're, I don't know, what, about 8 degrees from it being to the point where I can start hitting it with the probe and just making sure that it's nice and tender all over. And just like me, just, ooh, so tender and juicy. Get some of those pants with the juicy on the butt. That would be hot. That would be very hot. So yeah, I'm sitting around waiting for that. I was watching some stuff and dozed off a little bit. Now I'm ready. So I thought, what the heck? Let's do a little video. Why don't we do it? Oh, I have been, so I started that today, and it's the biggest brisket I've ever done. It's my second one. So yeah, the biggest one you've ever done. How many have you done? Well, 2. So, but it is the largest of the 2. It's a pretty sizable piece of meat. It really is. So am I. Oh man, that reminds me of this time somebody I worked with. Man, she could be a little salty. And the sergeant was busy, and they needed somebody to do briefing, and so I went to go do briefing, and I said, hey, I'm going to be the sergeant's stunt double. And there was a point I looked like a fraction of this, and but that wasn't then. No, I pretty much was, Big Frankie at that point. And I said, yeah, I'm going to be her stunt double. And I hear from the back of the room from this person, try stunt triple. Oh man, that's good stuff. That was good stuff. That was well timed. I don't even know if that person had ever used that before, but man, that was a witty response and timely. Oh, what do we got today here? I've got some milk. Today, milk is brought to you by Moosehead. Cheers, eh? Oh, that's tasty, folks. That's darn tasty. Ice cold milk, I'm telling you. So I brought out the peppers earlier, and I thought, well, you know what? Let me try one of the hotter ones. I tried that chocolate rain strain. I think that's what it was. So I tried some of that with some hummus, and that lit me up a bit. That had me going. So I backed off of that a little bit. The rumbly and the tumbly that I didn't expect. Nothing bad. Relax out there. But and that seems to be a very normal thing when you're starting to eat all these peppers and these hot things, is that, you know, your stomach can, whoa, 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 whoa. I think I've talked to 3 doctors now, and all of them said there's no negative side effects to eating peppers. Now, you may do something that gets you beyond, just like anything, if you take it too far and you overwhelm yourself at that point, then it can have, certainly can have an effect. But, you know, if I tap my thumb with a hammer lightly, ooh, that doesn't feel, but if I hit it real hard, well, that's not good. So, apparently you can build up tolerance to hitting your thumb with a hammer. Kids, don't do that. That is not the next Tide Pod challenge. Don't do that. Total joke on Uncle Frankie's part. Don't do it. Don't do it. So yeah, the milk, I think it'd be helpful. So yeah, I don't just do hot stuff in front of you guys. I do this on my own. Today though, for your pleasure, I have Hell Crunch. All right, gentlemen, settle down. This is for my buddy Hector, because apparently this is about the sexiest thing that my wife has ever seen in her life. She hates that. She hates that look down the glasses. You get them up there. Get them up there. Yeah. So that's for Hector. How are you, big fella? You just had it's a birthday. Did he have a birthday recently, or a mitzvah? I don't know. It's something. Reawakening. Congratulations, though. Sure, it was a hit. I think it was his birthday. I said something to him, so apparently it was really meaningful. Sorry, Hector. So today, we are taking a look at Hell Crunch Extra Hot. Now, there was one step above this, and I didn't get it because I'm still climbing the ladder, you know. I may do some crazy stuff, but, and I know I look dumb, but the big bear's not stupid, all right? And I thought, let's do the one below. What I really should have done is I should have gotten the other one as a test. The circus is in town. Daddy, can we go to the circus? Da 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 da. That's enough of that. They smell very cheesy. So these are, as you can see, they are Cheetos. I am sure they are Flaming Hot Cheetos from the inside of a lava tube somewhere. They just smell cheesy. Smell cheesy as heck. All right. Handy dandy napkin. Put a couple of these down. Yeah, they smell pretty good. So I had a comment from little Todd Bodkins, that he wasn't impressed with the video from last night because it wasn't enough heat. He was apparently laughing when he said this, but so I thought, well, I've disappointed him. I need to make amends. So I sent him a gift. I sent him some Dorjitos, some Fuegos Calaveras, some of the world's hottest beef jerky and some of that super hot shatter, Jolly Rancher type shatter that thought, give it a shot, see what he thinks. I did forget about the tiger butter, so I'm gonna have to send that along. It's coming your way, buddy. It's coming your way. So, and apparently my wife took a little video for me, so I'll get to see that. All right. Smells good. There's the heat. Back of the tongue. Back of the throat. I'm feeling it. I mean, it's definitely some heat, but really I'm about at a 1 for me. Not bad. So, middle of the pack there in the ingredients has dehydrated habanero. Couldn't you just give it a drink of water? Just be nice. Some ghost pepper, Carolina Reaper, a little Trinidad Scorpion. So, I'm not getting anything in the mouth. Now it's crazy because my nephew had these like ghost pepper cheese puffs. He must have gotten them from a store or something like that. Those had some good heat on them. Of course, that was a couple of months ago. They may not even register now. Yeah, I can feel it giving me a little warmth down there. Darn tasty. I like the heat. Feel a little bit on the lips. Oh, I got myself again. So, I got that chocolate brain strain, and I dipped it. Oh, there we go. A little bit of burn in the mouth. About a 1.5. Yeah, it's nice. That's nice. You sit there and eat a few of these. Yeah, you'll get it. You'll definitely get it. I'll send a few of these your way, Todd. You and the fellas can dig in. I'm gonna definitely have to get the insanely hot or the stupid hot or whatever it is. Try those out. But yeah, you'll feel it after a little bit. You just need to get a few going. I feel it after a little bit. Yeah. It's got a good burn to it. Really nice. Yeah, I'm telling you. That Inferno Candy Company. What's a little bit spicy stuff in your life? That's a way to go. Wow. It's really nice. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can really feel it in the back of the throat now. Maybe a 2? It's climbing. But yeah, you definitely got to get more in there. wonder if I should have done more of the Dorjitos and the Fuegos, those little Taki treats. Those were definitely had some heat to them. I bet if I ate a few of those, yeah. Oh, it's got a great burn to it. It really is nice. I like that. I like that. It's just, for me, it'd be like you guys eating the Flaming Hot whatever. It has that kind of burn for me now, because most of that stuff doesn't anymore. A little bit of it, but not much. That's really nice. I like that. Darn good flavor too. Great cheesy flavor, good crunch. I'm telling you, some good snacks from there. They've done a heck of a good job of making the spicy versions of these snacks. I'm happy with it. Very. Yeah, that was really nice. So, since I hate to let anybody down, we're not going nuts here, folks. Oh, that's more than enough. Man, this stuff doesn't smell good. Certainly doesn't taste all that great. So we got the silencer out. Did this the other day, just building my heat tolerance. This is the one that tore me up so bad. So I'm not doing much of this, just a couple of drops on the tongue, but helps build the tolerance. So cheers. Oh, Ed, you are a mad scientist, because that is just not a pleasant flavor. Not at all. Boy, that'll heat you up. Woo! Woo! Wow. So I'm using a little bit, I'm trying to do a little bit each day to build up the tolerance now, going a little bit higher and everything. So, man, I'm thinking about some of these challenges, the hot wing challenges. I don't see them doing much to me. I would be very surprised, but we'll see. We'll see. So, whoo, yeah. Boy, a little dab will do you on that one. I can feel that. Wow. Right at the back of my throat. Oh, boy. That is no joke. Oh. But as we know, survivable. So, all right, well, next video, I gotta remember bringing some of those knives out, those knives, and show a couple of those things off. Oh, woo! Yeah. Oh, so when I dipped that chocolate brain strain, even 20 minutes later, I went like that. I blinded myself in my eye again. Went by much quicker this time, but oh yeah. All right. Oh, we're coming up on the 20-minute mark. We're past it. I probably no more than another 6-7 hours for that brisket to heat up another 5 degrees. And I'll be able to go to bed. Whew. That silencer is no joke. Wow. That's a good 5 or 6 right there. Maybe even a 7. Man. Especially after the crunch. Ah, good burn. All right, you crazy kids. Take care of each other. Find something to laugh about. Thank you for all those who have subscribed. Please subscribe. Hit the like button. I guess it helps. You know, I'll keep doing this stuff. So we got tomorrow, Saturday, and I think Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, probably no videos because we're heading out for that promotional ceremony. And then I'll be back at it. So I know you'll miss me. I know you'll miss me. But you'll have me tomorrow. You have me tomorrow. Ooh. All right, folks. Take care. I hope you're having a wonderful night. Make sure I'm not taking a picture of myself. There we go. And I will see you next time. Cheers.